Hello, what's up? So bad anywhere you went. Today I want to make video how to fix the leaking water heater that the customer complained about. They said the water heater leaking, and then I was find it, the water leaking coming from the pressure relief valve. That was the problem. And then this is a rim brand performance, and then there is the problem right there. The water was keep leaking even though I just to release it and then put it back again, but water keep leaking. I thought because the sediment and then the water scale build up inside, so I took it up using the monkey wrench and then turn it left, and then when I pull up, that is look like inside. See, the water scale build up there, and this caused the problem. That caused what, you know, when the releasing pressure, and then because the water scale, they keep build up inside because there's a hot water, so they make have a spring inside stuck. So I just got new part. This new part. Anyway, before you doing all of this thing, you should turn off the water before you doing all the stuff. Turn off the water from the main up there, and then drain all the water. Turn off the gas, drain the water till empty. So right now this already empty. I did already empty it like 30 minutes ago. And then what I need to do is install the new one. This is new part. Install it up there, and then I should go fine. Okay, I open up. And then see, this exactly match up. Exactly. Yep. Okay. Right there. And then to install it, we need to put a tape right here, put a pipe thread, so install it. Okay, so to further video, I will see you in the next video.